Okay, Tuesday morning, June 26th, about 6 a.m. And as promised, what we're going to do now is we're going to demonstrate the water bottle technique that, like I said yesterday, and the walkthrough has been all the rave recently since I posted it in those two groups. So we're just going to come over here. Actually, you know what? While we're here, we may as well get a pan view of the corn here that I weeded yesterday. Yeah, I know corn's supposed to be planted in a block, and believe me, I did have stuff planted in this space right here between these two stalks, but they just never came up. But that row in the back right there that has the 5, and this one here in the middle that has the 8, hopefully will be enough to pollinate and get us some decent ears. But anyway, this video is not about corn, this is about the water bottle. So I'm going to come over here into the rain barrel. I shouldn't have to necessarily show this part, but I'm going to anyway. I'm just going to go ahead, fill the bottle completely to the top with water. It's about 50 degrees here right now. This water is not exactly warm, but it will do what we need it to do. Okay. Yeah, the water's a little bit cloudy, but that's okay because, you know, this bottle's been used for about 2 or 3 years now. So what we'll do, as I said, we're going to come over, we're going to demonstrate how to do it in the cucumber bed. Now, if you come here, this is, you saw yesterday the kale and the cucumbers from one side, but this is more kale and slicing cucumbers that I direct seeded around the same time as everything else, Memorial Day weekend. These are from Burpee, not Johnny's, believe it or not, after I sang their praises yesterday. These are from Burpee, and these are called Braggers. These should be about 9 to 10 inches long, direct seeded. There's a cluster of 3 there, and 2 more here with the water bottle already that I filled yesterday. And if you want to zoom in, yes, actually yesterday, right before I shot the video, so a little bit before 5 o'clock, and if you want to take a look at this now, here we are some 13 hours later. I don't know if you can see the level of the water in the bottle, but it's hardly gone down at all. So for those of you who say, hey, listen, Eric, you're going to put the bottle in there, and what is stopping it from coming all the way out? Well, when you plunge the bottle straight down, as opposed to doing it at an angle, you actually end up with some soil in the neck of the bottle, which actually acts as a cork or a sponge. If that soil is too dry in there, then the water will come out. But if it's too wet already, and I'm talking about the soil in the bottle, everybody knows that soil has a saturation point where it just can't hold anything else. So if it's too wet, then the water doesn't come out of the bottle, and that's the signal that, hey, wait a minute, I don't need anything else. That's the plant saying, look, I'm good. Don't diffuse anymore. So here is the bottle that we just filled again. And I'm going to come around here to the other side of the bed. And I'm going to put it right here, which is, again, there's my my son's cucumbers from daycare. And here is all of this kale here. So what I'm going to do, if you watch now, I'm going to take the bottle, and I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to go straight down, like that. And then twist it a couple of times. So you do see that it bubbles a little bit. You see the soil in the bottle settling, and that is how we do it. As a matter of fact, I'm not quite sure I got that. So let me take this out. We'll do it one more time. So take it, and we're just gonna make sure I can focus this here. The sun's kind of bright at this time of the morning too. Take it and just go straight down like that. Trying not to do the angle. And that should last about 2-3 days, if not longer.